Good morning. Day 4 of our first sprint. Yesterday went pretty good. Got a lot of work done on Jeff's table. That was good. Today, we're going to fiberglass up this box so it can hold water. That is the plan. I've never done fiberglass before. Let's see how it goes. So that was a failure and a half. I don't know. It just got away from me. Anyway, I gotta come up with some solution to salvage this. Maybe epoxy instead of fiberglass. Although the base, we'll just see how it turns out. Like if I can sand it down flat. Worst case scenario, I do a pond liner in there. That's the absolute worst case. Need a win, so I think I'm gonna do Jeff's table.
Okay, quick update. I've been working on this and I am really liking how it's coming out. I think it's about time to switch over to the sanding pad and start smoothing it to really get a feel for it. But I think we're good. Quick update. Did some cleaning. Jeff's table. Sanded off the rough edges. I want to put the tabletop on next. Get these guys up to height. So they're at a bit of a weird angle, so to make them square is going to be a little interesting. But that is coming out and looking really good, I think. Next is, so clean up. Jeff's table's looking good. Went ahead and started to modify this guy. And I'm going to make this a lid. But I took the bottom rungs off so I can dig the done compost, which, other than roots that got in there, it comes out looking pretty good. Finish this up. Figure out trash for that. After this, do a thorough cleaning. Maybe try and plant these plants in up there. That would be a good little thing. And that'll be it for the day. Pack up for tomorrow. Shopping. We're gonna get Jeff's table. We're gonna get the stuff for plumbing. A quick update. So I decided to put the bottom on this guy, which is good. I did a glue up for Jeff's table, so I'm gonna take the thin veneer thing, do that, since I'm about a ½ inch over where I wanted to be on as far as height for that guy. Banana peel. And so it's just some chicken wire and no hinge. And that is looking good for compost. It's lunchtime. That glue up's happening. I'm gonna pick that up, go get lunch, and then that's like work for today. And then it's clean up and organize for tomorrow. And that is sprint 1. Pretty dang good progress. I got a lot of little projects out of the way. That compost is finally off my back. That hammock is finally off my back. I made serious progress in the upstairs aquaponics. What else did I do? Oh, I did that planter. That was good. Okay, quick update. This guy's still drawing. Did some major cleanup and putting the tools away. You know, end of week, end of sprint, clean, reset. Because otherwise, stuff just goes all over the place. So I'm done making dust, but I'm gonna do a little bit of work up there on the upstairs aquaponics. Jeff's table is coming out fantastic. The more I sit with it, the more I'm enjoying it. So I got that planted. That re-siliconed up. I'm gonna let it dry before another test, but it's all looking good. I do really like the way that looks now.